Hi there, and welcome to this short tutorial about adding a new item to your database. To start, I'm going to go from the Store Operations Manager to the Database menu, and I'm going to click Items. From the Find Items window, I'm going to click New. On the Select Item Type window, you're going to choose Standard Item. Almost every item you will create will be a standard item, so you can choose this option almost every time. This will open a new item properties window, and in this new item properties window is where we're going to fill in the information about the item we were creating. I'm going to start with the item lookup code, which is essentially your barcode. So type that in. Type in a description of the item. You're limited to 30 characters on the item description, so do not go any more than that. Abbreviate if you have to. I'm going to go, you can skip the extended description and sub-descriptions 1 and 2. If you know the price grid to which the item belongs, you can enter it in sub-description 3. In the barcode format field, you're going to choose 128B for every item that you create. This is the barcode format that will be printed on your labels when you're printing new labels for your items. Select the department and category that the item belongs to, and ensure that your tax setting is correct for the item. Change it if you need to. I'm going to apply a price. This is my retail selling price, and then the cost, which is my invoice cost from my supplier. Once I've entered that, I can now go to the Suppliers tab, click Add to add the supplier that I'm buying this item from. Say OK to that, and enter in the reorder number. That's the number that the supplier files the item by. It should be showing on your invoice. Please enter that there, and add the MPQ. The MPQ stands for Master Pack Quantity, and it is the pack size that the item comes in. So if they come in cases of 12, you will enter 12 into the MPQ field. And of course, once again, enter in your invoice cost on the item. You can add other data to the Special tab or Options tab should they be necessary, but what I've shown you here so far is the minimum of what you need to create an item to prepare it to be sold. Click OK, and your item is now created. And I can see that item in the database by just searching for it. Okay, and there the item came up there. Now if I want to create another item that's almost exactly the same as this item that I did create, I simply need to highlight the first item and click Copy. I go to the Copy window, and notice how most of the information is already filled in. I'm simply going to change the information that is different about this second item. So in theory, the barcode should be different, so I'm going to enter the new barcode, and maybe I have to adjust the description a little bit, but the rest of the data as far as I'm concerned can stay the same because it's all accurate. So I simply will click OK now. Actually, I will go to the Suppliers tab first, and if there is a new reorder number for this item, I will have to enter that too if the reorder number is different. Once I have done that, I can click OK, and the item will be saved. I can simply do another search, and I see the items right there, candle 1 and candle 2, that I just created, and they are saved in the database. So feel free to use the copy feature to create new items that are very similar in nature to items that are already in the database. It will save you a lot of time in data entry. Thank you very much for paying attention to this short tutorial, and we will talk to you soon.